opening 10 minutes, but they have played a lot of the game at this end.
Ennis goes to Maloney. Comes out the back. Here's Townsend. Passes Lewis. Barber. Bird. Wasn't sure of his line. Took a shot from Steve Manoa. Was it Marty Taupau, in fact, for his trouble? They're going to stop play here because there's some concern for Jack Bird, who really got levelled by Marty Taupau.
I'd like to have a look at it. Looked like Bird, as he cut back on the inside, was starting to slip. He puts the ball down there. He's searching for the ball, just drops his head. He's going to cop one. Wow.
There's an issue here.
And it's the change of height of the men.